RJ bass on the beat.
Coming through, stay spinning. And the coupe gotta win it. I ain't not playing games, nigga. Talk down, nigga, gotta spend it. Rubber 300 in this bitch. Coming through, call on my phone. Phone nights ain't long. Coming through on the blind. Left a nigga in the blind. Yeah, never coming ain't long. Never coming ain't long. 45 and I'm blonde. Talk down like you bought a nigga. Bitch, a nigga say long. On the block for the clout, nigga. Talk down, nigga, how you done? Put a G on your head, nigga. Coming through, nigga, split your mind. Coming through and ain't long. In the coupe with the files. Tryna find a way that's easier for me. Niggas coming through, they tryna take my money. Don't get no for a nigga, cause no things ain't funny. Pull out with them choppers, aiming for my money. Gotta live it right, gotta live it right. All these niggas hate, all these niggas hate. Tryna find a way, tryna find a way. But these niggas gonna hate, move them out the way. Yeah, what them niggas say? Aiming for my bread, chop it at your head. Talking lucky about it, what a nigga said. AR 47 at your fucking head. Yeah, what a nigga said. Living nigga red, pull up at the head. Chop up bacon red, what a nigga said. Lay a nigga down, structure him in the bed. They ain't never long, live him in a blonde. Chop it at your mom, they ain't never long. AK-47, bustin' at they head. What the fucking on? Yeah, they ain't never long. Living nigga down, live him in a blonde. Begging for the mercy, aiming for they mom. I ain't never long. What a nigga said. Chop it at your head, living nigga dead, living nigga red. Get off all the niggas, what a nigga said. AK-47, coming out your head. What the fucking on? Oh, get off all the niggas, what a nigga said. Coming up, I keep that chopper aiming for my bread. Them niggas talking on a block, hold up what you said. Ay, I ain't never lying, nigga, yeah, she straight so. Tryna save up my money for a fancy car. I ain't never lying, nigga, yeah, she street so. She is hard.